In this video, we are going to see 6th Standard English, Term 2, Unit 2, Lesson 2, Trip to Ooty, Section 3. Already we have seen in Section 1 and 2, Merlin was a girl. She was writing letter to our friend Malli about a trip to Ooty. Merlin and her friend were talking about the scenery out of the window and they were enjoying that. Suddenly, the train was stopped. Let us see what is the reason. Before that, let us see some words and their meanings. Trumpeting, making a loud noise. Coax, persuade someone gently to do something. Chucking, moving slowly, making regular muffled sounds as of an engine running slowly. Murmur, to make a low, continuous, indistinct sound. Let us get into the lesson. Let us know the reason why they stopped the train suddenly. There was a cute baby elephant sitting on the track. The mother elephant was nearby, trumpeting loudly. The engine driver tried to coax the baby off the track with a bunch of bananas. Do you know why the train has stopped? Yes, there was a baby elephant. It was on the track. And the mother elephant was trumpeting loudly. Trumpeting means making a loud noise. And the engine driver tried to coax. Coax means persuade someone gently to do something. So the engine driver was trying to make the baby elephant to come out of the track. So he has given a bunch of bananas. The mother did not let anyone near the baby, so people stood around trying to make the baby moving by all kinds of sounds. So the mother elephant did not allow anybody to go near the baby elephant. So all the passengers and peoples are making some kinds of sounds to make the baby to come out of the track. The baby just sat there looking frightened and the mother kept trumpeting. Finally, Muthu, the naughty boy of the class, went up to the baby with a bunch of bananas. Just as it moved to eat it, he moved backwards. The baby elephant got frightened and sat on the track. The mother elephant was going on trumpeting. The naughty boy Muthu, he went there and gave the bunch of banana to the baby elephant. When it tried to eat that, he was moving backward. Yes, he used his cleverness. If he moves backward, what will happen? Yes, automatically the baby elephant will move. He kept doing this till the baby was out on the side of the tracks. Luckily, the mother too stopped trumpeting and watched the whole show. Everyone cheered as the baby started eating the bananas. Many bunches of bananas were piled near the baby and the mother. As they were eating, everyone got into the train and it left after a delay of half an hour. Gita madam had told us that we would see elephants if we were lucky. Muthu was keep on moving backward till the baby elephant was out of the track. Mother elephant was stopped trumpeting by seeing the whole show. Everyone cheered as the baby elephant started eating bananas. Many bunches of bananas were given to the baby and mother. When they were eating, everyone got into the train. Gita madam told them that they were very lucky to see the elephants. So children, like Muthu, we have to use our cleverness. Madam, wouldn't have imagined we would see a wild elephant this close, said Fatima. It was such a fantastic trip. On a normal fast train ride, we do not notice the scenery or the landscape. It rushes by so fast, but slowly chugging up and down the beautiful mountainsides was different. I will never forget the wide, windswept tea estates, cloud-covered mountains, or the swaying trees. It was enchanting to listen the murmur of streams and waterfalls and musical bird calls. We even saw an elephant and its baby. Our whole group was so excited by the trip and they still talk about it. Your loving friend, Merlin. After getting to the train, Fatima said to Geeta madam that they wouldn't imagine that they would see a wild elephant very close. And it was a fantastic trip. Merlin said that on a normal fast train ride, we do not notice any sceneries or landscapes. It was going very fast. But here, slowly chugging. Chugging means moving slowly by making regular muffled sounds. And it was moving up and down, and the beautiful mountainside was very different. And she told that she never forget the tea estates, cloud-covered mountains, and swaying trees. It was enchanting to listen the murmur of streams and waterfall and musical bird calls. Yes, murmur means to make a low and continuous sound. It's very nice to hear low sound of stream, waterfalls and musical bird calls. Even they have seen an elephant and its baby. The whole group was so excited and enjoyed the trip. And they still talk about it. Merlin concluded the letter by your loving friend Merlin. So children, whenever you get chance to visit some places, go and enjoy and learn something and share with your friends.